There are two key ways that developing a signature style makes your artwork stand out from the crowd. Number one is you're making the artwork that wants to come out of you. When you make artwork based on what you think you should be making, what's on trend, what you think will sell, people can tell, and they will not be attracted to it. But when you've taken the time to hone your creative voice and signature style, that means you're making the art that wants to come out of you, the art that is unmistakably you, and people will feel that. They will resonate with your art more. They will want to license it and purchase it because your unique creative voice makes it more appealing, rather than some generic artwork that looks like anyone could have made it. In short, when you have tapped into your own unique creative voice, your artwork stops looking like everyone else's artwork. And this is a powerful thing. The second key way that developing a signature style makes your artwork stand out from the crowd is your artwork is elevated. When you've made lots of art and followed the steps to develop a signature style, your artwork achieves a level of cohesiveness that is super appealing to the eye. Which example is more appealing? This one on the left that shows lots of different experimentation, or this collection on the right that shows this person has put the time in to really tap into the art that is truly their own. This is Bethany Bayless, a student of Drawn to Art, and you can see a difference between before she had a signature style and after. And here's where it gets really interesting. Cohesive equals confidence. When the artwork coming out of you has a cohesive feeling, it automatically is elevated, exuding confidence, showing that you are confident in your artwork, which will in turn make the perceived value of your work go up in the eyes of your audience. When my signature style started to emerge, my Instagram following went way up and art directors became much more interested in licensing my art for their products. To recap, having a signature style makes your artwork stand out from the crowd because you're making the artwork that wants to come out of you and your artwork is elevated.
To download my free guide, Find Your Unique Creative Voice, including the Phases of a Soaring Artist Roadmap, go to jennablackburn.com/guide. This 40-page guide is filled with tips on how to develop your signature style so that you can make the art that only you can make.